Okay, these are word problems, but they're really easy. In cooking class, the directions are to cook a chicken for 30 minutes. You're allowed an error of 2 minutes. Here's what an error means. It means you add or subtract 2 minutes. So it says, what's the most amount of time you can cook the chicken for? So it's supposed to be cooked at 30 minutes, but the most means we're allowed to add the error, which is 2 minutes. And then 30 plus 2 is 32. Okay, so it'd be 32 minutes. Now, what's the least amount of time you cook the chicken for? So we take 30 minutes, but the least amount means I can minus the error. That's why I put a plus and a minus in front of it. So 30 minus 2 is 28. 28 minutes. Okay. Example 2, an electronic part is measured at 3.65 centimeters. You're allowed an error of 0.12 centimeters. An error means you can add or subtract. So the most, I would take the amount and I would add 0.12. Calculator. 3.77. Minus 0. Now, least would mean you minus it, okay? .53, okay? So that's a high, that's a low. Excuse me, I gotta go out there a second. Okay, example 3. The measurement of a park is 300 miles in length. The error of the measurement is 0.15 miles. What's the most measurement the park can be? Okay, so you take 300, and then the error means plus or minus. So error, to make it most, you plus the 0.15. So 300.15. Now the least it can be, you take the 300 again and you minus the 0.15. $299.85. Write it down. I know that looks weird. So this is the most, this is the least. Okay? That's what an error means. To wrestle at a certain weight class, a wrestler needs to be 160 pounds. The error of the weight is 3 pounds. It means you can add or subtract 3 pounds and still be able to wrestle at that weight. Okay? So the most, you take 160 and then plus 3. Okay? Equals 163. Now you take your 160 minus 3. Okay. Okay, now I forgot to label some of these. The back problem, the second one, centimeters would be, you can just put cm or you can write the whole word. It's up to you. Now on this one it said miles, so it would be miles. And the next one would be pounds. So the most a guy could be is 163 pounds. Anything over that he can't wrestle. Anything more, can't wrestle. This one, 157 pounds. Anything less than that, he can't wrestle.